So my name is Thomas Brown and I'm currently working at Puma Energy, Milford Haven. I'm currently studying a HNC in Mechanical Engineering at Pembrokeshire College. So I chose the course because I've always been interested in engineering itself, but studying mechanical engineering gives me a wider knowledge and skill set going forward. So I've always struggled at mathematics, but being on the HNC and learning engineering mathematics as one of my units, I've developed a lot more confidence and I can take that into at a higher level. For instance, I'm going to study a mechanical engineering degree at the University of West of England in September. So the course covered mechanical principles and engineering design, which are just a few of many that I've studied over the 2 years. So the lecturers are very helpful at Pembrokeshire College. They are very knowledgeable and can relate to work-based experiences. I would highly recommend studying HNC Mechanical Engineering because it gives you a lot more of a broader knowledge going forward in engineering.